11-mile hike to an amazing, crazy waterfall. Good morning. So the trailhead is closed at the moment. They've had a lot of rainfall the last couple days, so let's hope. The state troopers say it's a go. We might not get to do it today, but let's see if they open it. There's roosters all over this place. Hey, you heard me talking about you? Please don't attack me. Have a good life. Trail is back. We are live. It's open. Woo-hoo. It's beautiful. This is where they filmed Jurassic Park, King Kong, Tropic Thunder, or Tropical Thunder, whatever it's called. Crazy. You just have to start walking. You don't even have to run. Just move your body. This is how I'm moving today. I came to Kauai in honor of my dad's 10-year anniversary. It has a special place in my heart. This was one of the last places he took us before he died. I'm reconnecting with myself, reconnecting with old memories of my dad, my family. It's just beautiful. Life is what you make it. Live extraordinary. Be brave. Be scared. But fight through those fears, or they're gonna control you, make you smaller than you really are. I know how big you are, and I know how capable you are. Love, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. We made it. Just joking.
As the cold water therapy nurse, my mission in life is to live a balanced and healthy lifestyle and help others do the same. Many of us deal on a daily basis with suffering that never truly gets the acknowledgement and attention it needs. We live in a world that sometimes says, you can't feel, or you can't say that. You have to be this way, or you are crazy for thinking that. We go on with these hurts and wounds from the past, walking silently in our pains and our fears. I believe there is no one-fix-all treatment for problems we face in our lives. After losing my dad in a tragic death, not only did cold water therapy help me through my grief, my anxiety, and depression, but talking to a therapist helped me see the light in my darkness. My therapist listened when no one was there, and it felt so freeing to be able to say whatever I wanted to say and know I was completely safe. Sometimes we can only do so much for ourselves, and help from another is just what we need. Someone to listen to us and not judge. Someone to comfort us when we are having a hard time. Someone to help us stay centered when we are unsteady, and someone to help us calm our thoughts. More importantly, someone who cares about us and wants us to heal and have an amazing life even after our struggles. That, I believe, is the heart of being human. And talking to a therapist is a beautiful way to experience this and truly get the help and support you need. I believe in order to heal and find deeper strength, one must find balance and take care of all the pieces that make them who they truly are. We are social animals and cannot thrive without connection. We need relationships. Life is relationships, and the single most important relationship we have in this life is the one with ourselves. Self-healing and self-purification is a heroic act. There is no shame in talking to a therapist. I honestly respect you even more for doing that. Because you chose to be a better person in the world is a better place. If you're struggling and feel that therapy would benefit you, I encourage you to try BetterHelp, the sponsor of this video. BetterHelp connects you with a licensed therapist who is trained to listen and give you helpful, unbiased advice. You can do it all from your phone or computer via phone call, video chat, or messaging, however you feel most comfortable. It's the easiest way possible to start talking to a therapist. Let BetterHelp connect you to a therapist who can support you, all from the comfort of your own home. Visit betterhelp.com/coldwatertherapynurse or choose Cold Water Therapy Nurse during sign up to enjoy a special discount on your first month.
Just keep climbing. Made it, guys. Woo! Just kidding. The little one is doing superb. It is muddy. Wow. Do you guys see what I see? This is the planet that we live on. Can you guys see the island over there in the clouds? Don't drink the water unless you have something to boil or clean it with. Even if it looks delicious and pretty, you don't want bacteria and get a really bad GI sickness. Ugh. So beautiful. Here we go. Woo. Hello. So far, so good. This is going to be the hard part. I'm going to go where it's smooth. Good. Easy, you don't want to break an ankle. I told you we were going to go swimming. Now we're like in Ferngully. Those roots. Look how cool this is, except people drew all over it and carved on it. Bamboo. We're almost there, guys. We're almost to the source of the flowing water. We're eating an apple, and we gotta cross this now. They weren't kidding. Those rocks are slippery. Look at that. I fell. Busted my knucks. If you ever do it, you might fall. Happens to the best of us. Final push. Getting really steep. Be careful. This is where you need to be very careful. These rocks are slippery. We made it, guys. Woo! Look how powerful that is. You know I'm going swimming. Woo! So awesome. Time for a cold plunge. Don't let me. Don't hit your head on the wall. Look at that. Now don't fall. time to go back.